and gentlemen, I am Chef Mangal. New Saturday, new recipe. Today I am making world famous soup, sweet corn chicken soup. This soup is a little bit different way I made it. I am using seasoned grilled chicken breast. Number 2 important, when you add egg white, whisk egg white, you put 1 teaspoon of cold water for 2 eggs and you see how you get that scrambled egg white thread. Buddy who makes with love and affection, they make the best dish. One more thing I want to tell you, in a soup when you thicken the soup, you have to add cornstarch mixed with cold water. That time you have to low down fire. There are few things, if you keep in mind, you can get the best sweet corn chicken soup. Basically, what I learned, if you make any dish for your loved ones to whom really want to make them happy, organize your dishes, organize your prep and make it. So let's come with me. Let's start cooking. This is boiled water. Add your corn kernels. Make a smooth paste and keep it aside. Heat the pan. We are going to cook now sweet corn chicken soup. In oil, add your chopped onion, saute it. Add garlic after 1 minute and mix it well. So we get the flavor of onion and garlic together. After 1 minute, just add bay leaf. You will see the complete recipe in description. Saute for a minute. Add black pepper, corn. Again you have to cook for 30 seconds. I am using chicken breast, seasoned and cut into dices. I am not using a raw chicken. Cook for 2 minutes. Add chicken stock in it. Mix it well. Now add, this is water and corn which I got in a tin. The water content is there. I mixed that also. Now time to add your corn paste which earlier we made it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till you get the boiling, start boiling. You add 1/4 cup of corn kernels, salt and white pepper. Give a good mix. Cover and cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes you will see your soup is boiling. So this time cut off your fire and add cornstarch which you made with cold water. When you see you get your proper consistency, that is the time when you have to add egg white. In egg white, before mixing, add cold water and mix well nicely and you will see the egg white thread you will see. Give a dash of sesame oil. Mix it well. Remove your bay leaf from the soup. Soup is correct consistency. Check it. If you think you need some seasoning, add it. In my soup there was little less salt. Now time to garnish with this green onion. This is from my balcony I grew. Beautiful. It's easy to make. When you start making, practice, you will get the best soup. Give your family, serve hot. Beautiful soup. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video, and I am sure you will like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Every Saturday, whatever dish I make, I will try to make the best, and I 100% guarantee when you make this dish, you will like it, because you are also going to make this dish for your loved ones. So, see you next Saturday with another dish. Good night, take care for you and for your family. Bye.